Hi guys, good day. This is Jake. In this video guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my 5,585 YouTube subscribers in my channel. Thank you very much for your support by subscribing, by likes, comments, suggestions, and most importantly by watching my videos. I can't believe, for more than 2 years of continuous uploading tutorial videos about information about my life, I reached this milestone on my channel. Without you guys, my channel will not be big, as I expected. I never expected to reach 5,585 subscribers. Thank you so much again. If you are new with my channel and then you like my videos, please like, share.